All right, there we go. All right, cool. It's loud out there. Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. We're in the new daily. Do you know what it is? I posted a short, but I don't think anybody got it. Maybe this should be like an ASMR, like a... Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. Today we're gonna talk about my new car. 2011 Lincoln Town Car Executive L Series. And as Taylor Swift said, L. Town Car Executive L. Black leather, black paint, long back doors, big trunk, rear wheel drive, and this one's in pretty dang good shape. Just washed it for you. Let's get out. Let's take a look at my new car. All right, guys. So we're at the car meet right now, the Lake Town Speed and Sound, and I'm here to show you the Lincoln Town Car. Now, I planned this perfectly for golden hour, except we went to the wrong address. So here we are recording, and everybody gets to hear me yell because of how freaking loud it is, and we get to go see some really, really cool cars. But first, the cool car is this, the Lincoln Town Car. The Lincoln Town Car has been made since 1979, since the introduction of the Panther platform. They took the Crown Victoria and they made a poor person luxury version called the Grand Marquis. Now, I'm not poor, or I wasn't before I bought this. I'm a rich person, I promise. Look at my subscriptions and how I'm wearing Costco right now. So, cool thing about this is that it's black. Now, I couldn't find a single not silver or white one, so I got a cool one. And look at the length of this door right here. Look at that. Standard Lincoln Town Car door. Check this fat girl out. This is so big. Anyways, I think it's a little loud out here. You want to come inside? So anyways, it's super loud out there, right? We didn't do anything but get in the car. Look how big this back seat is. I hate that we're gonna do this. Can you turn the light on, camera, and show like how much room there is here? Look at that. I even wore the stees for you. The Lincoln Town Car was made in 1979, and in 1989 I was born, and in 2009 I came to Utah, and in 2019, or somewhere around between 2009 and 19, I got my first town car. Now, I have had a whole bunch of town cars, and this one is the town car. It's the town car of all town cars. Firstly, daily driver. Secondly, huge back seat, and you know what that means. She's got it where it counts. You fit all the fat bitches. The 2011 was the last year of the town car, 2012 was the last year of the Crown Vic, and subsequently the Panther platform as a whole, because they couldn't keep up with side impact ratings. But I don't care about that. I daily drive some serious. Anyways, the town car is the new daily, and where we're at right now is daydreaming, because the Crown Vic lost its transmission, and that's unfortunate. But I'm kind of glad that it's gone. Even though I put that transmission in there, I think I got my $100 out of it. We've got a lot of parts, and we had to find a 2005 and newer Panther. And I said, you know what? I'm going to do this right. I'm not going to take some piece of crap Crown Vic like I had, right? And no offense to the Crown Vic, it was an absolute blast, but I'm not going to take some piece of crap Crown Vic and make it into a compromise for what my dream car was going to be. I'm going to take this opportunity to spend more money that I don't have and beg my wife, even though we have a whole bunch of broken ones. This is the answer. Another car, always the answer. Miata is always the answer, but we already have one, so another car is subsequently always the other answer. We have really nice wheels, but they don't really work with this town car because of limo stuff. So we're gonna have to change that, which really sucks. And then we also have our supercharger kit. The 2-valve in this is capable of handling up to 450 rough-ish wheel horsepower. A lot of people will bring that down to 420 to make it like a maintainable, safe number. So yeah, we're gonna have ourselves a freaking rocket couch here. Shout out to Rocket Couch on the forums. There is a Lincoln guy on the forums whose username is Rocket Couch, and I appreciate you letting me use your name, even though I've never talked to you. This is gonna be a bad mamba jamba, and I think with the supercharger and a little bit of transmission modification, probably a limited slip, this bad girl is going to be capable of beating on early Coyote Mustangs, which is going to be pretty cool because they are a force to be reckoned with. And what we're sitting in right now is a force to be reckoned with. It's very relaxing, you know? Like seriously, I don't even know if it's loud. Yep. I'm going to post more stuff about builds, I think. So if you like that type of stuff, I think you should subscribe. If you like old car stuff, you should subscribe. I kind of evolve and change like the stuff that I'm doing, but if you don't like, or you do like the stuff that I'm doing, it really helps if you comment below. Tell me what I should do, tell me what wheels I should do, things like that. I love the ideas and I love the interaction, and comments really help the algorithm and make my content more popular on YouTube. So anyways, thanks for watching Team Rocket Garage. Let's go check out some of these cars. They've set this car meet up to be like all of like the non-paid people come over here. We've got a lot of stock cars, but a lot of noise too. There's a lowered hard body over there. That's pretty cool. Four-door Integra, Veloster, some rando stuff, and then a tow truck. So that means the Subarus are here. Hey, look at that. Not too shabby. Got the GS300, the spider eyes. On some knockoff T37s. Got the town car here. Ooh, I love these so much. The S2000. Oh, it's a Evo. Hello. S2000. Got the Civic. That makes sense, just to move around a parking lot. Why? Lambo door. Hellcat over here with underglow. Good system in here, holy cannoli. Pretty cool dealio. Dude, this is where it's at. Oh my god. Look at her. Let's do a walk around on this bad girl. Let's take a look at this. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Finnegan. Got a Finnegan sticker. We got a lot of stuff. The chevy. Oh my gosh, it has a freaking Continental dashboard. Look at the freaking Lincoln Continental dashboard. Continental right there. That's crazy. Dude, they got the oil pan down there for the shifter. This thing is radical. Some Subaru seats, I think. It's a 4-cylinder, right? Oh, dude. Is this your truck, man? Yes, sir. Dude, this thing is so badass. Thank you, man. So, okay, so it's bored out a little bit then? Yeah, just a little. Just for the rebuild? Yep. I got you. What's this? Those are guitar cabinet handles. Why? It's a fiberglass hood. Oh shit! Look at. How is this? How is that not an automotive product? It should be. That's such a good idea. Because I was talking about getting one, and the friend was like, "How the fuck are you gonna take it off? What if there's a breeze? You're gonna lose it." Is this a wrap, or did you like? It's paint, rattle can, man. No, so painted. Oh my gosh. Except for the stickers, it's hand painted. That's so crazy, dude. It's just masking tape, rattle can paint, fucking Scotch-Brite bands. All right, so I'm recording for my YouTube channel. Can you give me like 4 or 5 minute
Yeah,
machine gun, dude.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that's such a cool truck. Okay,
Thank you, man.
go ahead.
All right. So it's a 1980 Chevy C10. It's my dad's. I inherited it, and then I just been doing all kind of crazy shit to it. It's got a 1964 Lincoln Continental dash.
I saw that.
The center console's an oil pan with distributor cap cup holders, wrenches for the door pulls, a ratchet for the window crank, stock car wheels, rattle can paint for the livery is done like old school stock cars and everything, fiberglass hood.
So did you take this and do like the overspray on it?
This is just a natural patina and then just hand painted on the lettering and then just masking tape and rattle paint.
Is this like your art then?
This is my buddy's Dustin merch. This is his handiwork.
It looks so bad. It looks like somebody built it in the 80s and then it sat and then you found it and polished it.
That was the idea behind it.
So anyways.
Yeah, so it was just, it's been used as a truck for 40 years and I never wanted to paint it nice. And then my buddy wanted to do the stock car livery and he wanted to make it look like it's been sitting in someone's field retired from the track.
Dude, he freaking killed it. So did you buy the stickers or did they all come with parts that you have?
I bought them all. There's not that many nice parts in there yet.
Well, someone has to assume, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So how do you even do this? Is that like you put the sticker and rip it off?
Yeah, that was just vinyl. It sat out in the sun for a couple months and then just peeled it off. And then you just stick some
It
dirt
looks like
to the
that
stick in
old
it.
like No Town USA water company or something, you know?
Yeah,
like
exactly. That was the idea behind it.
And then so the Chitty Chevrolet, where does that come from?
It's from Days of Thunder, the City Chevrolet car. Because I initially wanted to do it after the green and yellow City Chevrolet car. But
You just added the H.
Yep.
Dude, that's
Then he just said, how about Chitty instead of Shitty?
so badass. Okay, so this was your dad's truck, you said?
Yes, sir. He bought it brand new in 80.
Wow.
He used it, beat the hell out of it, because it is a truck after all. Then when he died,
Well,
I
I mean,
inherited
look at
it.
the bed here. Like you gotta, like it's a
Naturally
truck.
earned rust holes. I cut the hole to put the fuel cell because
I like how you said earned. That's a good way to put that.
Oh, it did.
And this freaking tailgate, dude. This back girl, this is a $200 tailgate. That's straight, let me tell you.
Hell yeah. It's off of a farm truck.
It looks
So,
nice.
The truck is a Chevy, but I had already started putting the stickers on the tailgate on a different truck. And I wanted to keep it, so I had to hide the GMC while I built it.
Oh, I didn't even notice that until you pointed it out. That's awesome.
That's to hide the secret GMC while I build a filler panel.
Well, it is a GMC, you know. I mean,
well, the truck is a Chevy.
well,
Tailgate's
but it was
Same thing.
it is GM, you know.
Exactly. And then the Blazer bumper is just off of my buddy's. He has a Blazer rotting in his yard, so.
So is the Blazer bumper, does it sit a little more flush?
Yeah, I tucked it in about 3 inches.
Wow, yeah, dude, that's sleek.
Just to make it clean as possible.
Well, and it's go ahead, I'll follow you, man. This
Oh, yeah, you're fine.
yeah.
And then that's just my local club, my buddies. We do salty rods, just a bunch of rat rides.
Salty rods. You guys have a YouTube or social media or anything?
They've got a Facebook group that's not too active yet.
Salty rods?
Yeah.
Well, I'll find it and I'll link it if I can find it.
And the main guy in it is an OG. He goes back as far as the original 9 doing the rat rod build off.
There you go. So did you guys, you painted this and then did he kind of sand it to give it that?
Yep. So we just used masking tape. He freehand draws it with Sharpie and then just cut it with a razor, rattle can, then rough it up with Scotch-Brite and then just hand letter the outline. And then the transcal is because I burned up 3 700 R4s in 1 year.
Well, that is what you do.
Yep.
With the 700 R4.
Yeah, you send them to Jesus.
Yeah.
And then
Someone has to love them.
The seats are out of an early Subaru, actually.
I knew it was a Subaru. I knew it. I told you it was a Subaru. Subaru seats, I think.
I think they're out of a Subaru, the Impreza.
Hi.
Hi there.
Keep talking. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
cool.
I know this guy. I can bug him
Oh,
all
okay.
I want. I can bug him all I want. I had to share with
I was
you.
like, shit, man, the wife's coming.
Nope.
Oh man, dude, that's so awesome.
That was the first light.
Oh, even up
I've
here.
never seen him the full stream, so yeah.
I gotta see more. Yeah, and
That's all we
everybody
got.
that's helped me with the truck has got signatures in there. So we got a bunch of signatures from homies. And of course, spare parts in there. You got a power steering pump behind the seat. And then
What?
the
This
long
isn't a
one
Ford.
down.
Is it Ford swapped then, or?
No, not yet.
Because of the steering pump, you know?
Oh, it's just going to shit because it came out of a field truck.
Yeah, whatever.
It's dying, so I put the spare in there. I'll replace it whenever.
Okay, so walk me through your removable steering wheel, because this isn't an NRG hub.
Nope, it's an I did it removable steering hub.
Oh, okay. So you
it's
just put
a
it on
welder.
there when you
Yep.
when you need it, and you take it off there when you don't.
Yeah, they just sell a weld-on hub for a quick release steering wheel.
Oh no, okay. Sorry, I thought you
Yeah.
were like full shitbox
Oh, no.
level, like
Nope.
fuck it if it comes off while we're driving.
I just took
That's
out
so
the regular
cool.
one and welded on that hub so it is an actual quick release.
No way. So you okay? I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah.
You might have just got me an NRG in my Mustang, because I don't want to pay. Honestly, I don't want to pay for the adapter. You know?
NRG is good, but I did it. It's super simple and cheap. I think it was 80 bucks for the kit for that weld-on hub, and then this adapter for whatever 6-hole wheel.
Dude, that's so cool.
And it's just a cheap eBay wheel, but
Yeah.
it works for now.
That's such a cool flex. Yeah, when I walked by, I was like, dude, this thing's so cool. And then I saw the Continental dash, and I was like, dude, this guy is my type of guy right here.
Hell yeah.
That's so cool. So, walk me through kind of the engine.
All right, it's just a stock 350 out of like an 89 Silverado.
Okay, so
Yeah.
TBI then?
Yeah, it was TBI. I took off the TBI crap, just put a carb. I put some
Yeah,
older
simple.
350 heads on
There you go.
it. Nothing too special.
Are they pre-emission heads?
Yeah, the heads are pre-emission.
Okay, so like good compression and flow then.
Yeah, better flow. I took out all the EGR crap. Blotted off.
I feel bad at having you take the hood off. Look at all the room. There you go, just a simple
Yeah,
intake headers.
just basic, and then the air cleaner. The same guy that painted it
Oh, no way.
did it like a quarter, but instead of George Washington's face, it's Beavis.
Dude, that's so fucking cool, dude. Dude, that is so badass. And you got so much room in it. I could literally just jump in and stand there. To give you guys an idea of how cool this is to me, there's a C8 Corvette right here. I've walked past it like, I don't know, 15 times. This is so badass, dude. What's your name?
Jimbo.
Jimbo? It couldn't be anything else. My name's Zach.
Zach, nice to meet you, man.
Are you on like Facebook or anything?
Yep.
Cool. Can I add you?
Hell
You're
yeah, go
so
for it.
cool, dude.